At HIG Modular, we provide efficient, fully functional solutions for construction sites. Our modular buildings include on-site offices, worker dormitories, canteens, and mobile toilets, all designed for quick assembly and seamless integration. From creating a professional workspace to ensuring worker comfort with durable dormitories and fully equipped dining areas, our modular systems offer flexibility and speed. With easy installation and high adaptability, HIG Modular helps keep your project running smoothly and on time, all while maintaining the highest standards of quality and functionality.